Good morning and welcome to SWK Technologies Empower 2021, our virtual customer conference. Today we're going to be talking about Sage X3 optimization. This is a topic that we get into off and on. My name is Steve Janak. I am the Director of Solution Architecture here at SWK Technologies. I've held a number of positions in process manufacturing over a number of years and started working in the technology industry just over 10 years ago. I've been with SWK now for just over 7 years and have enjoyed it tremendously. Today we're going to talk about optimization, but first it's important to understand what is optimization. According to Merriam-Webster, optimization is an act, process, or methodology of making something, such as a design, system, or decision, as fully perfect, functional, or effective as possible. A lot of words there. So basically what we're trying to do is get more out of what you already own and see if there are other things we can add to it to increase productivity, streamline processes, and in the end, improve the bottom line. So SWK has a proven methodology for identifying these opportunities for improvement. And we have a method to ensure a successful, cost-effective strategy to perform an optimization on your system. So we use 4 different steps. Step 1 is typically analysis, is just a general understanding of what your business is. Step 2 is the evaluation process, where we take what we know about your business and then through discussions with your team, apply an evaluation process to figure out what we can do and how we can do it. The 3rd step is the alignment phase. This is just to make sure that what we find is in alignment with what you want to do and that we're all on the same page as to what we're going to address and how we're going to do it. And the final is the execution. Of course, execution simply means taking it from a paper-based trail and putting it into place and effectively implementing it in your system. So again, 4-step process of analysis, evaluation, alignment, and execution. So first we'll talk about analysis. And analysis is basically where we begin to review some documentation related to when you went live or the last time you had optimization. We just want to see what the project looked like, what went into it, and what came out of it. Then we'll typically meet with the principal stakeholders in the company to kind of determine the areas that you feel might give the best opportunity for a return on investment. This is very important because we don't want to come back with a 37-page document that only addresses 2 things of the 7 that the stakeholders in the company actually want to look into. So this kind of pulls it all together so that we can begin to look at the right things in relation to what the company wants to do. So the first thing we typically do is we look back at when you went live, and